Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2013 Great Dane 36'6" by 102 aluminum combo tandem axle 73,000 GVW trailer, folks. It's a nice looking trailer. It says a brand new kingpin plate underneath it. Aluminum deck is in excellent condition all the way around. Front end has been weighted for being a 36'6", brand new buyer's toolbox, brand new rubber aluminum outer rim with steel inner, brand new brakes and drums, universal mounting kit on the back, carries Moffett, Princeton, and Load Mac. This is an air ride suspension, great unit, folks. Give us a call, 260-238-4998. Brand new rubber all the way around, aluminum outer rim, brand new brakes and drums, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, 36'6". Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. We have Moffett's, Princeton's, Load Max. We have trailers, all sorts of lengths. We also have Freightliners and Kenworths in stocks for straight trucks. Give us a call, 260-238-4998.